In the next step, you are not going to exist, only the object of meditation is existing. That is, if you meditate upon the sentence, I am the way, then you will not be there. The Lord and His way will be there in the name of I am. Because you are also the same I am who is meditating, illumined by the I am of the Lord, already at the feet of the Lord. So, the object of meditation exists and you will stop to exist. That is the next step, seventh step, called meditation, dhyana. That is meditation. When the object of meditation exists, when the effort of meditation does not exist, when the person who is meditating does not exist, then it is meditation. It is possible very easily by following the Patanjali's process, that is uttering Om and listening to it. And in the next step, next change occurs. When you are applying meditation upon this piece of chalk, only the object of meditation exists. You do not exist as the observer, but the observation does not exist. The effort of observation does not exist, but the piece of chalk exists, and its name goes away from your mind. The name piece of chalk will go away, but the object exists. The shape of the chalk will go away from your mind. The object exists. The white color of the chalk will go away from your mind. The object exists. Everything disappears from your mind except existence. What exists is only the Lord. Even if you apply your meditation to the piece of chalk, it is only the Lord who is existing. Then the object is only an illumination. The rest of the things are illusion of the eye. So, the illusion disappears and the existence exists. That is what is called attainment, the eighth state. It is called samadhi.